10 important map locations based on the recent current affairs. So Gandhigram village in Changlang in Arunachal Pradesh, known as Paradise of Arunachal Pradesh, known for Bhatti project, that is solar paneling for clean energy. The next is Champawat district, Uttarakhand, and this is where women self-help groups have come together for metal work, which is known as Loha Ghat, and here popularity of steel, aluminium and non-stick has been done. Andhrahal village in Malkangiri district in Odisha. Here, Bodo tribe, which is one of the Bonda tribe, which is one of the particularly vulnerable tribal groups, have relied on traditional healing for major ailments, and a traditional healing system has gained prominence, and this region Malkangiri is also known and has an important place in the epic of Ramayana, and Mahashivratri festival is celebrated here. Lavangtalai district in Mizoram has one of the important history of being known for Mizoram's most backward and disaster-prone district. This is known as, based on the concept of Kan Sikul Kan Hon, which is my school, my farm, and there are various wildlife sanctuaries nearby. South Garo district in Meghalaya, here the new species of frog has been discovered in the Siju cave in South Garo, and this species is known as Elmopos siju, which is located in the Siju cave, 4-kilometer long natural limestone cave which is present, and this is one of the important species of frog that is discovered, found in the regions of India, Nepal, China and Indochina region. Sokpai village in South district of Sikkim. Now this is known for handicraft items, known for production of cardamom, rice and ginger, also known for growing Sikkim tea, and one of the least populous regions in the state. The next is Odhari village in Mandla district, Madhya Pradesh. Now here there have been a dam which is known as Basania Dam, which is constructed by the company. Along with that, this region is known for block painting, dhokra and carpet making. Mendha, which is known as Lekha in Gadchiroli in Maharashtra, is one of the deep-seated villages within the forest area, and here a historic movement led by Vinoba Bhave started in 1960s, and this aims to bring in Gram Mandals or Gram Sabhas for administration. This region is also known for production of bamboo as well as tendu leaves, also known for cultivation of rice. The next is Unakoti district. Unakoti, as the name suggests, one less than a crore, and that is what is the rock cut caves paintings, with rock cut carvings which are present here in the regions of Tripura. So Unakoti has more than has nearly a crore gods and goddesses which can be traced on a single rock within the dense forest, and this is where Unakoti has a very important significance. The last is Saraskela district in Jharkhand, known for Chau dance and an amalgamation of Uriya and Ho tribal cultures. Now this is known as Makka, and here is one of the cultural places where Rath Yatra, Durga Puja, Kudasari temple have been found. This is also a place where Bikram Singh of the Purahat Raj family established this state, and therefore has a very important stand. Later on it was part of the Bihar state. So Saraskela in Jharkhand is an important location. After amalgamation into Bihar and then separation from Bihar into Jharkhand, this came back to the region of Jharkhand. So those are some of the important map locations for today. As always, writing your UPSC mains, send in your answer for evaluation. We will be providing you regular feedbacks for your answers. Thanks for joining in today.